Here we will learn the combinations. The definition of combination is selection of things or form a different groups from a given set of things by taking all or some at a time is called their combinations. Here the number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time. Here r value is always less than or equal to n, is denoted by C of n comma r, or sometimes it is also denoted by NCR, or sometimes it is also denoted by NR. Okay, to understand this definition, we have the example here. The selection of two letters from three letters ABC. From three letters ABC are AB, BC, CA. So, by applying the above formula for this problem, we have n equals to 3 here, r equals to 2 letters word can be formed. So, that's why r equals to 2. By applying this formula, 3C2. So what is 3C2 here? All of you know about that, the combination formula, that is 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That equals to 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial means that is 1 factorial into 2 factorial. It is also equals to 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So here that is 3 ways we can form 2 letters from the given set of 3 letters. Okay. Thus, combinations of 2 letters are AB, BC, CA from the given set of 3 letters ABC. Okay. So, we have the combination formula NCR. The formula for NCR in factorial form is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n means r value is always lies between 0 to n, including 0 and n also. So for this condition, we have the corollary means a note NCN. If r equals to n, then the formula is n factorial by n minus n factorial into n factorial. Okay, here all also taken as n. So n factorial by n minus n factorial means 0 factorial into n factorial, that equals to n factorial by 0 factorial means 0 factorial is always 1 and n factorial is always n factorial. So that's why n factorial both are cancelled, equals to 1. Okay. So if r equals to n, then NCR equals to 1. Now taken into, if r equals to 0, then the formula is totally converted into, if we take r value as 0, then the formula we have n factorial by n minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. That equals to n factorial by n minus 0 factorial means that is n factorial into 0 factorial means 1. That is equals to n factorial both are cancelled. We have 1 also. So, if r equals to n, NCR equals to 1. If r equals to 0, NCR equals to 1. Okay. So, the combinations, we have some properties. But properties are, first one is NCR equals to NCN minus R. Second one is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. And third property is NCX equals to NCY. Then X is equals to Y, or X plus Y equals to N. So by using the formula and the properties, we have some example here. Example 1, 6C3, which is of the form NCR. Okay, here N equals to 6, R equals to 3. Then we have the formula of NCR is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So the given problem is in place of n factorial, we take 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This is the formula of NCR. Okay, for this problem, we have n is equals to 6 and r equals to 3. That is equals to 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial means 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So that is equals to 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial both are cancelled. Here 6 5 ja 30, 34 ja 120. So 120 by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. That equals to 20. Okay. Here 6C3 value is 20. Like as 10C8 can also be solved. So to solve this 10C8, we use the formula NCR equals to NCN minus R. Why? Because here R value is very big. That's why we may use the formula NCN minus R. Means here n value is 10. So that's why 10C 10 minus 8. That is equals to 10C2. So we are going to find 10C2 value for the value of 10C8. Okay. Next, the third problem is, if NCX is equals to 56 and NPX is equal to 336, find the value of N and X. Here given NCX equals to 56 and npx is equals to 336. Okay, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. By using this information, we will find the values of n and x. So we know the formula of NCX. What is the formula of NCX? From the equation number 1, n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial is equals to 56 by equation number 1. And what is NPX formula? In a permutation case, we already discussed this formula as n factorial by n minus x factorial is equals to 336. Okay, from these two equations, we will divide these two equations, means equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 means this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So equation 1 by equation 2 gives the value x is equals to 3. From this we will find the value as n equals to 8 also. Okay. Next problem. In how many ways can 4 questions selected from 7 questions? Here, to solve this problem, we choose n equals to 7 and r equals to 4. Why? Because here total questions are 7. That's why take n as 7 and we can select 4 questions. That's why here r value is 4. By using the above formula NCR, we have 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So that is equals to 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 factorial means that is 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So total value is 35. Okay. So there are 35 ways. Can 4 questions selected from 7 questions. And one more problem. If there are 12 persons in a party, very important, and if each two of them shake hands with each other, how many handshakes happen in that party? Here observe all of you one thing. When 2 persons shake hands, it is counted as one handshake. Okay? Not 2. Therefore, the total number of shake hands is the same as the number of ways of selecting 2 persons from 12 persons. Okay, shake hand means, one shake hand means 2 persons can shake hands. Okay, so ఒక షేక్ హ్యాండ్ మనం చేయాలంటే 2 persons చేతులు కలపడం వల్లే కదా షేక్ హ్యాండ్ అయ్యేది. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ we choose 2 persons out of 12 persons. That's why here n is equals to 12, r is equals